I want to thank you so much for your interest in this 2013 Chevrolet Avalanche that I have here with 85K on the miles. I have 2 keys here. This vehicle has auto start. We just got the vehicle in. It's got the liner, tonneau cover. It's not been through detail yet, but I wanted to go ahead and shoot a video of it because it's in such excellent condition. Before we even detailed it, I wanted to get a video of it. Interior from the rear. Got a DVD. System right there. Plug-ins. Sunroof. Vehicle's extremely clean. Before we've detailed it. In excellent condition. Roof rails and roof racks. Great wheels and tires. Of course, it's got wood grain. CD player. Huge step rails. This is Miguel Patterson. Please give me a call at 615-490-2807. Schedule the time to visit and test drive this vehicle. Thank you for your interest.